Introducing the GLK4-800, where precision meets power in the world of metal stamping. Key features: precision handling, versatility, compact design, automation at its best, perfect for automotive parts. Technical specifications: Model GLK4-800, material thickness 0.6 to 6.0 mm, automatic lubrication system, hydraulic shear. Applications: ideal for automotive parts stamping and manufacturing excellence. Watch the GLK4-800 in action. Ready to elevate your production? Contact us at info@he-machine.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on industrial solutions.